This impressive full-size dishwasher from Indesit helps you keep on top of your dirty dishes, so you'll never have to worry about your cupboards being empty again. The baby cycle is designed to run on an intense cycle that cleans and removes any harmful bacteria from all your dishes to prevent upsetting any delicate stomachs. Delivering a perfectly sterilised wash, parents' minds can be at ease when caring for your family. With 14 different place settings and a cleverly designed upper and lower baskets, you can adjust the space in your dishwasher to accommodate for extra cookware without compromising its cleaning performance, providing flexible storage that's perfect for creating space to fit larger dishes or delicate glasses. The half-load function will automatically adapt to the water usage and save energy, an efficient option for when you have a light load while keeping your bills down. Experience quick, powerful cleaning with this Indesit full-size dishwasher, making everyday chores an easier task, a great appliance for large family homes.